In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sort by date in Smartsheet quickly and correctly. Whether you're managing projects, tracking deadlines, or organizing tasks, sorting by date helps you instantly see what's coming up next and what's overdue. By the end of this video, you'll know how to sort your sheet in ascending or descending order and keep your workflow organized. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Smartsheet tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Smartsheet and navigate to the sheet you want to work with. This can be any sheet that contains a date column, such as a due date, start date, or created date column. Make sure you're in grid view or Gantt view so you can see your rows clearly. Once you're inside your sheet, click on any row to activate the sheet. This step ensures Smartsheet knows which sheet you're working in. After selecting a row, look toward the top menu or right-click on the row, and click on the three dots to open the Row Options menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Sort Rows. This will open the Sort Rows dialog box, where you can control exactly how your data is arranged. Inside the Sort Rows window, you'll see a section labeled Sort By. Click the drop-down menu and select the date column you want to sort. For example, choose Due Date if you want tasks ordered by deadline. After selecting your date column, choose the sorting order. If you select Ascending, your oldest or earliest dates will appear at the top and the newest at the bottom. If you choose Descending, the most recent or latest dates will appear first. This is useful if you want to see upcoming deadlines immediately. If needed, you can also add a secondary sort by clicking the Then By dropdown. This allows you to sort by another column, such as priority or status, in case multiple rows share the same date. This helps keep your sheet even more organized. Once you've selected your date column and chosen the sorting order, click OK. Smartsheet will instantly reorganize your rows based on the criteria you selected. You'll now see your tasks arranged by date exactly the way you specified. One important thing to keep in mind is that sorting changes the order of rows for everyone who has access to the sheet. If you only want a personal view sorted by date without affecting collaborators, consider using filters instead. But if you want a permanent structural change, sorting is the right option. And that's it. That's how you sort by date in Smartsheet. It only takes a few clicks and makes managing deadlines and project timelines much easier. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Smartsheet guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.